It is on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm back with another unboxing. I have the T-Fal Easy Care non-stick 12-piece cookware set. It says it's Pro Glide non-stick, thermospot heat indicator. It's dishwasher safe, has a limited lifetime warranty. Pro Glide non-stick is easy release and cleanup, even heating, no hot spots for reliable results. Okay, it comes with an 8-inch fry pan with pouring spouts, a 10.5-inch covered fry pan with pouring spouts, a 10.25-inch square griddle, 1-quart covered saucepan with measuring marks, a 2-quart covered saucepan with measuring marks, a 5-quart covered Dutch oven with measuring marks, and 2 nylon tools. It's also oven safe up to 350 degrees. Guys, now it's time to unbox it. Okay guys, so this is the 10.25-inch square heating griddle. It also comes with a paper for warranty and also registration. Here we have the 2 nylon tools. You have a spatula and a spoon. Here I have the 10-inch frying pan, and it comes with a lid, and you can also see the pouring spouts on the side. Here is the 8-inch fry pan, and it also has the pouring spouts on the side. Here I have the 2-quart covered saucepan. As you can see inside, it has the measuring marks, 2, 4, and 6 cups. Here's the 1-quart covered saucepan. And as you can see, it has the measuring marks inside, 1, 2, and 3 cups. And this is also what the bottom looks like. Here we have the 5-quart covered Dutch oven. This also has the measuring marks inside, 4, 8, 12, and 16 cups. Okay guys, so this is the whole set. I'm looking forward to using it. I had purchased it at Walmart. It was supposed to be $79.99, but when I got to the register, it was only $59.99. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?